Welcome back to Sunshine Carnivores, and today I'm going to be discussing perhaps the most iconic carnivorous plant of them all, the Venus flytrap. You can get these plants at many of the big box stores depending on the time of year it is. I got these guys from Home Depot, and also these guys are not the tropical plants that a lot of people mistake them for. These guys are from the Carolinas, mostly North Carolina and a few places of South Carolina. And when people grow these plants, they mistake them for being tropical, and they try to take care of them like you would a regular house plant. But that does not work for these guys. To grow these plants successfully, you need to grow these guys with no tap water. Use either rainwater, reverse osmosis water, or rainwater is best for these guys because these guys says do not tolerate the minerals in of hard water well, because it will burn the roots and kill the plant. And these guys do not do well in nutrient rich soils. Again, like I said, for the watering, these guys do not do well in harsh soils with lots of minerals, because it will kill the plant. They grow best in either long fibered sphagnum moss, peat moss, or peat moss mixed with sand or perlite, or both. In this pod here, I have about 4 or 5 plants growing in peat moss mixed with perlite, with a top layer of long fibered sphagnum moss. I don't know if you guys can see it well from here. And also, when it comes to light, these plants like a lot of light, because it's because of the odd shapes of their leaves. Because when it comes to carnivorous plants, other traps are just nothing more than just modified leaves to trap their prey. And the more light a fly trap gets, the more intense the coloring is going to be on the trap. And that's why they're inside of their traps like this are going to be so red. As with any other plant, whenever humans are involved, there's going to be many different cultivars created in the mix. One of the more well-known ones is called the red dragon. It's called the red dragon. If the light was a lot brighter, the whole plant will be a maroon in color. You can see a little bit of it here, but not too well. These plants are certainly very easy to grow. If you can grow a tomato plant, you can most certainly grow a Venus flytrap. These guys are among my most favorite plants. They're also very are classics when it comes to the carnivorous plant hobby. Almost every grower has them in their collections. And also, when it comes to winter dormancy period, these guys are best kept outside. These guys are not meant for terrariums or meant to be as house plants, because these guys like humidity, but not as high. When these plants go into dormancy, it's best to keep these plants outside, like I am here. It'll be dormant. These plants will be dormant here in about a month or so from now. It doesn't get too cold here in North Florida, but North Florida. But if you happen to live in a state or a country that gets extremely cold, put them in a unheated garage. Or another method that you can use is to dig up the plants from their pot, wrap it in long fibered sphagnum moss, put it in a bag, and put it in your fridge till about February or March. Then bring it out. These guys cannot take the cold too well, like the Sarracenia purpurea, because these guys do not tolerate cold temperatures down to 0 degrees too well. If you happen to have these guys in a bog garden, I've heard that mulching it will actually help protect these plants from the intense cold, but they're still going to be dormant. If you happen to like this video, like and subscribe. I will see you next time.